Hello everyone, here is going to be a quick tutorial video on XOS airdrop DePIN project. And those of you who watch my videos, the videos I made late last year, I told you guys that in the first quarter of 2025 that the narrative, okay, that's going to be making people money is DePIN projects. Okay, the pin project, I made a video where I talked about it, and of course testnet and some other projects outside the Telegram. And with the trend of things, there is actually a gradual drift, okay, from the traditional Telegram tap to earn and all that. Of course, you know what is going on there already with the new regulations that Pavel Durov has introduced. So you better get yourself positioned. If you're on my Telegram channel, and even those that joined and left, you discover that we have made a decision to be introducing only projects outside Telegram that is, beneficial, that has the potential of making you good money. That is not to say that we have abandoned Telegram projects completely, but we are going to be introducing only those ones that we are sure they're going to be profitable and they're not going to, stress the miners or rip you off the money. You can imagine engaging yourself for 5, 6, 7 months and then you are getting $1 from a project. It doesn't make sense. But all these DePIN project, sorry about that. Congratulations to those that participated in grass and social value. Social value, people made a lot of money. Funny enough, people trivialize it. So let's just get into this video straight up. This is those airdrop. Okay, now they say that this is actually the first Solana layer 2 project with seamless expansion, and this is the early access. Okay, now if you read there, you are going to normally layer 2 projects or layer 2 tokens or coins, as you may choose to call it, they're actually a solution to whatever problem or challenges that layer 1 projects or layer 1 tokens are having. So they want to make things better. If you read there, you understand the rationale and of course the objective of the project. So you might not want to miss this. So if you are interested, just click on the link that will come with this video, and if you're on my Telegram channel, you're also going to get the link. We give more guides, and the target on our Telegram channel is at least the minimum you can do is minimum of 10 DePIN or testnet projects, and let's see how it's going to be this early 2025. So if you click on that link, it's going to lead to this place. Just a few steps to go. Some of them are daily checking, some are testnet, some just social activities are going to do. So you need a code to start up, right? So here are the steps you are going to take. So you click on the link, or you copy the link to your Mrs. or Quill browser, and if you are using laptop, it's going to be pretty easier for you. So you copy it. If you are using mobile phone, whatever I do on the system, you can replicate the same thing using your mobile phone. Okay, it's just that you have to use Mrs. or Kiwi, and then always switch to desktop mode so that you have a better view. So when you click or copy the link, the referral code is going to appear exactly here, and then you click on redeem invite code. But in case it doesn't appear, you just have to copy the code. The code will be on my Telegram channel, and it will also come with this video wherever you're watching from. You click on redeem invite code. You can see it says code accepted. Then you're going to see connect wallet. Now it's your MetaMask that you're going to call it. So make sure that your MetaMask is on. I just click, you can see I have it in the extension here. Make sure your MetaMask, just go here and switch the network to Arbitrum 1. Switch to Arbitrum 1. This is it. So when you switch to Arbitrum 1, then you hit on connect wallet, and then you are going to see all this. Okay, choose your MetaMask. You can use any other EVM wallet such as Rabbi or whatever, but I prefer use MetaMask. Okay, now you click on MetaMask to connect your wallet, then you click connect, and then early access. You can see confirm again, confirm. You can see confirm in wallet. It's actually more seamless when you are using a system or laptop. Okay, this is when you are going to come to this interface. So here are some other things you need to do to accumulate more points. So you have to connect your MetaMask just the same we have done. Then connect your Twitter and your Discord, just as you can see. Verify Twitter, join Discord, daily check-in, and you are good to go. It's not more than that, right? So more points, more XOS token. So let's just start with this one. Check-in now. Okay, now daily check-in, 0 times spin, blah blah blah, all that. So I'm going to click. Okay, we need to connect Discord and Twitter first. So you're just going to click on, it's a one-time task, so be sure it's completed. So click follow. So you're just going to follow. Now you go back, then you click verify Twitter. I'm going to bind your Twitter account. Just click authorize app, and you can see it's ticked. Connect Discord as well, join Discord. So you scroll down, okay, and then click authorize, and it is connected already. You can see I've accumulated 40 points with these 2 tasks. Then I can do the daily check-in right now, and I've accumulated another 1 point. Then over here I can copy your referral code, and you can also spin, okay, earn 1,100 to 80 points per spin. So let's try to know if we are eligible to spin. So we spin, not enough spins, right? So I don't have a free spin. You can see 0 spin. Perhaps it's by performing tasks and by also inviting other people that can gain points. So the next thing you need to do is to bind Solana address. So you go to your Solana app. I actually have it in the extension here. Use the Solana that is in your Mises or Kiwi browser extension if you are using mobile phone. So I'm just going to go to my extension, open my Solana, my Phantom wallet, and then copy the wallet address of Solana itself, right? So here we go. This is just it. This is it. I'll just copy it, and of course I'll come over to this place and click update. I'll paste it. Remember, some of these tags are one-time tags, so don't make any mistake. Then click on confirm, and then you confirm it in your wallet, confirm it here, and then you sign it, and then Solana address bound successfully. So those are the tasks you need to perform for now. Now let's take away this so that we'll have a better view. So for now, those are the tasks you need to do. So look at it, and yeah, it's a very important project you need to get involved. So from here you can also click to read up, okay, more airdrop information and all that. So read up about this if you want to, but then I think that should be all for this particular video. So if you have found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts, leave your decent comment in the comment section. Don't forget to share with others, copy your link. There's going to be further updates on this. I will also let you know, but we have tons and tons of DePIN project outside Telegram project that we are going to be mining. So let's keep it moving, accumulate as much as you can, because when the time of reaping comes, you are going to reap bumperly. Thanks, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.